A happy home starts with a comfortable temperature. Imagine coming home after a long day, stepping inside and feeling the warmth wrap around you like a cozy blanket. It's one of those simple pleasures that make a house feel like a home. Your thermostat is the key. This small device on your wall is more than just a piece of technology. It's the heart of your home's climate control system. It ensures that every room is just the right temperature, whether it's the middle of winter or the height of summer. It's the control center for your heating and cooling. With just a few presses of a button, you can adjust the temperature to your liking, making sure your home is always comfortable. It's like having a personal climate manager at your fingertips. But a thermostat needs power to work its magic. Without power, even the most advanced thermostat is just a piece of plastic on your wall. It can't regulate the temperature, and it can't keep your home comfortable. That's where batteries come in. These small but mighty power sources are essential for keeping your thermostat running smoothly. Just like any other battery-operated device, your thermostat relies on fresh batteries to function properly. Just like a flashlight, old batteries mean no power. When the batteries in your thermostat start to die, you'll notice the display might go blank or show a low battery warning. This is your cue to take action before your home starts to feel the chill. Don't get left out in the cold. Imagine waking up to a freezing house because your thermostat's batteries died overnight. It's an unpleasant surprise that can easily be avoided with a little bit of maintenance. Changing your thermostat battery is a simple task. You can do it. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll see that it's a quick and easy process. All you need is a fresh set of batteries and a few minutes of your time. This guide will show you how. Follow along with our step-by-step instructions, and you'll have your thermostat up and running in no time. Keeping your home warm and toasty is just a battery change away. So let's get started and ensure your home remains a haven of comfort, no matter the weather outside. Before you begin, gather a few things. Having the right tools on hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. It's always better to be prepared than to find yourself scrambling for something in the middle of the task. You will need a new battery. Thermostats rely on batteries to function properly, and a fresh battery ensures that your thermostat will work without any interruptions. Most thermostats use AA or AAA batteries. It's important to know which type your thermostat requires. Having the correct batteries on hand will save you time and frustration. Check your thermostat manual to be sure. The manual will provide specific information about the type of battery needed and any other important details. If you've misplaced your manual, you can often find a digital copy online by searching for your thermostat model. You will also need a small screwdriver. This tool is essential for opening the battery compartment and making any necessary adjustments. A Phillips head screwdriver is most common. However, some thermostats may require a flathead screwdriver, so it's a good idea to have both types available just in case. Lastly, grab a paper towel or a small cloth. This will help you keep your work area clean and free of debris. A tidy workspace not only makes the job easier, but also helps prevent any small parts from getting lost. Organize your tools neatly on a table before you start. This way, you can easily find what you need without having to search for it. A well-organized workspace can significantly reduce the time it takes to complete the task. Before you replace the battery, take a moment to inspect the battery compartment. Look for any signs of corrosion or damage. If you notice any issues, you may need to clean the compartment or consult a professional for further assistance. Use the small cloth or paper towel to clean the battery compartment if necessary. Removing any dust or debris will ensure a good connection between the battery and the thermostat. Insert the new battery into the thermostat, making sure it is properly aligned. Follow the instructions in your thermostat manual to ensure the battery is installed correctly. Close the battery compartment and secure it with the screwdriver. Make sure it is tightly closed to prevent the battery from coming loose. Test the thermostat to ensure it is working properly. Set the temperature and check to see if the heating or cooling system responds accordingly. If everything is working as expected, you're all set. Finally, clean up your workspace and put your tools away. A clean and organized workspace will make future maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. Congratulations! You've successfully gathered your tools and replaced the battery in your thermostat. With the right tools and a little preparation, maintaining your thermostat is a simple and straightforward task. Safety is always important. Before you touch your thermostat, turn off the power. Find your circuit breaker box. It's usually in a utility room or basement. Turn off the breaker that controls your heating and cooling system. This will prevent any electrical mishaps. Now it's time to open the thermostat. Most thermostats have a cover that snaps on and off. Gently pry the cover open. You can use your fingers or the tip of your screwdriver. Be careful not to force it. Once the cover is off, set it aside. With the cover off, you'll see the old battery. This is the heart of your thermostat, providing the necessary power to keep it running smoothly. Over time, batteries can lose their charge, and it's essential to replace them to ensure your thermostat functions correctly. Take note of how it's positioned. The orientation of the battery is crucial. Notice the positive and negative ends and how they align with the contacts in the thermostat. This small detail can make a big difference in the performance of your device. This will help you put the new one in correctly. Comparing the old and new batteries side by side ensures that you have the right replacement. It's always a good idea to double-check the specifications and make sure the new battery matches the old one in size and voltage. Gently remove the old battery. Be careful not to damage the contacts or any other components inside the thermostat. A gentle touch is all that's needed to avoid any unnecessary repairs. You can usually just pop it out with your finger. Most batteries are designed to be easily removable, but sometimes they can be a bit stubborn. If it's stuck, use your screwdriver to gently pry it loose. A small flathead screwdriver can be very handy in these situations. Just be sure to apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging the battery compartment. Once the old battery is out, you're ready to install the new one and bring your thermostat back to life. Now it's time for the new battery. Make sure it matches the type of the old battery. Align the positive and negative ends of the battery with the markings in the thermostat. Gently push the battery into place. You should hear a click when it's secure. Before you close up the thermostat, take a moment to double-check your work. Make sure the battery is properly seated. The positive and negative ends should match the markings. If everything looks good, you're ready to close up the thermostat. Carefully snap the thermostat cover back on. Now go back to your circuit breaker box. Turn the power back on for your heating and cooling system. Your thermostat should power on. You might see a welcome message or the current temperature. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your thermostat battery. This simple task can help keep your home comfortable year-round. Plus, it can save you money on your energy bills. Do you have any thermostat tips or tricks? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful home improvement advice.